Good morning student, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. Today we are going to start chapter 12 rounding off number. First let me tell you what is rounding off. Rounding off means that we replace the given number by another convenient number which is easy to understand but close to the original number. Example, here you can see we have the number 88 and 90 is round off of 88. This is very easy to understand and this is close to the original number, and the original number here we have 88. Okay, now how to find round off number of a particular number? For that we have some rules. So let me show you the rules. First, working rule for rounding a number to nearest 10. Nearest 10. Okay, for this we have 3 steps. First let me read out the step, then I will show you the example how to round up. Okay, so step number 1, we examine the digit at ones place. So according to step number 1, first we have to see the digit at ones place. Okay, at ones place. Step number 2, if the digit at ones place is less than 5, then replace the ones digit by 0 and keep the other digits as they are. Now step number 3, if the digit at ones place is 5 or greater than 5, then we increase the tens digit by 1 and replace the ones digit by 0. Okay, so we have two conditions here. If the ones digit is less than 5, then we have to follow this step, otherwise we have to follow this step. Okay, now see the example and you try to understand the concept. So here we have the number 813. Okay, so according to step number 1, we have to see first digit at ones place. Okay, this is about nearest 10. Okay, it means ones, this is ones, tens, and this one is hundreds. Okay, so this is about nearest 10. So according to step number 1, first we have to see ones digit. So here we have the ones digit, this one, or just see right side of the tens digit. Okay, just see right side of the tens digit or follow this step. So according to first step, here we have 3, or just right side of the tens digit we have 3. Understood? In both the way we got 3 only. Now we have to check whether it is more than 5 or whether it is more than 5 or not. Okay, so clearly you can see this 3 is less than 5, so we have to follow this step. Okay, so if the digit at ones place is less than 5, then replace the ones digit by 0. Now here we have the ones digit 3, so now we have to replace it by 0. Okay, and keep the other digits as they are. Other digit, that means here we have 8 and 1, so as it is we have to write here 8 and 1. Understood? So this is round off of 813, 810. Okay, now see the example number 2, 627. So according to step number 1, first we have to check the ones digit. So we have here 7, or right side of the tens, so we have 7, and this is ones digit, and clearly you can see 7 is more than 5, so we have to follow this step. Okay, so if the digit at ones place is 5 or greater than 5, then we increase the tens digit by 1. Increase the tens digit by 1. So here we have the tens digit, ones, tens, 2, so 2 will increase it by 1. So when we increase, we'll get here 3, and replace the ones digit by 0, and this is the ones digit, so this one we have to replace by 0, and this will be as it is 630. This is the round up of 627. Clear to you? The same way nearest 100. For nearest 100 we need to see the tens place. Okay, digit at tens place. Okay, now see the example. So we have 8213. So this is about nearest 100. Ones, tens, 100. This one is okay. Now according to step number 1, we have to see the digit at tens place. That means ones, 10, this one, or just see just right side of the hundreds. Okay, so this is the just right side of the hundreds. So we have 1. Understood? So now 1 is less than 5. Okay, 1 is less than 5, so we have to see step number 2. If the digit at tens place is less than 5, then replace the digits at tens place and unit place by 0. Tens place and unit place by 0. That means this is the tens place here and this is the unit place here. So here we will give 0, here also we will give 0. Okay, and keep the other digits as they are. That means 8 and 2 will be same. Okay, so this is how we can find out the round off of this number. Okay, now see the next example. Here we have 2451. So according to step number 1, we have to see the digit at tens place. So we have ones, tens, ones, tens. This is the tens place digit, or just right side of the 100. Okay, so we have ones, tens, 100, and just right side of the 100 we have, sorry, this is the 100, just right side of 100 we have 5, or ones, tens. Okay, now clearly you can see 5 is equal to 5, so we have to follow step number 3. If the digit at tens place is 5 or greater than 5, then we increase the 100 digit by 1. 100 digit by 1. Okay, that means ones, tens, 100. So we have 4 at 100 digit. So this will increase by 1. This will be increased by 1. So this will become 5. Okay, and replace the tens. That means this 5 and unit digit. That means this 1 by 0. That means here we'll give 0 and 0, and this will be as it is. Okay, so this will be the answer 2500. Understood? Same way for 1000, we'll see hundreds place. We'll see 100 place. Now see the example. For 1000 we have to see 100 place. So ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, or just right side of the 1000. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, and just right side of the 1000 we have 3. Okay, and clearly you can see 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5. Okay, so we have to follow step number 2. If the digit at hundreds place is less than 5, then replace the digits at hundreds, tens, and ones place by 0. Hundreds, tens, and ones place by 0. Okay, and keep all other digits other digits as they are. That means 1 and 2 will be same here. Okay, this is the answer. Understood? Now see another example. So first we have to see for 1000, 100 place, ones, tens, 100, this one, or just right side of the 1000. That means ones, tens, 100, 1000, and just right side of the 1000 we have 8. And clearly you can see 8 is more than 5. 8 is more than 5, then we have to follow this step. Okay, so if the digit at hundreds place is 5 or greater than 5, then increase the digit at 1000 place by 1. We have to increase the digit at 1000 place. So we have ones, tens, 100, 1000, 3. This 3. Okay, here we have to increase by 1. So this will become now 4. Understood? And replace each digits at hundreds, tens, and unit. This one is 100, tens, unit by 0. That means here you give 0, here also, and here also. Okay, and this 1 will be as it is. Understood? This is the answer. Now for 10,000. For 10,000 we need to see 1000 place. Okay, 1000 place. See the example. For 10,000 we need to see 1000 place. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Sorry, 1000 only we need to see. So this is the 1001. Or just see right side of the 10,000. So this is the 10,000. Okay, and right side of this 10,000 we have 1, and 1 is less than 5. 1 is less than 5. So we have to follow this step. Okay. If the digit at 1000 place is less than 5, then replace the digits at 1000, 100, tens and ones place by 0. That means 1000, tens, 100, tens and 1 place by 0. Okay. And keep all other digits as they are. That means 3 and 2 will be same here. 3 and 2 will be same here. Okay. So this is the answer. Let's see another example. So according to step number 1, we have to see 1000 place for 10,000. Okay. So ones, tens, 100,000. This one, or just right side of 10,000. So this is 10,000 and right side of 10,000 we have 8. Okay. Now 8 is more than 5. 8 is more than 5. So we have to follow step number 3. If the digit at 1000 place is 5 or greater than 5, then increase the digit at 10,000 place by 1. 10,000 place by 1. So ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So this we have to increase by 1. So this will become 6. Okay. And replace each of digits at 1000. That means this is the 1000, tens, this 100, this one, tens and unit places by 0. Okay. That means this one we have to replace by 0. Okay. And this will be as it is. This will be the answer. Understood? Then for lakh. For this we need to see digit at 10,000 place. Digit at 10,000 place. Now see the example. So we have to see 10,000 place. So ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. This is 10,000 place. 3 is in 10,000 place, or just right side of the lakh. Okay. So this is the lakh place, and just right side of this lakh place we have 3, and 3 is less than 5. So we have to follow this step. If the digit at 10,000 place is less than 5, then replace the digits at 10,000, 1000, hundreds, tens and ones place by 0. 10,000, 1000. So 10,000 here we have 3. So replace it by 0. 1000 and 100 and tens, then ones. Okay. And other digits as they are. That means here we have to write 1 and 9 as it is. This will be the answer. Understood? Now let's see another example. First we have to see the digit at 10,000 place. So here we have ones, tens, 100, thousands, 10,000, 7. Okay. We got here 7, or just right side of the lakh place. Okay. So this is the lakh place, and just right side of this, just right side of this we have 7. Okay. Okay. So now clearly you can see 7 is more than 5. So we have to follow this step. Okay. If the digit at 10,000 place is 5 or greater than 5, then increase the digit at lakh by 1. Okay. So in lakh we have 6. So when we increase by 1, then this will become 7. Understood? And replace each of digits at 10,000 place. That means this one, 1000 place, 100 place, 10th place and 1's place by 0. Okay. So we have to give here 1. So we have to replace by 0, and this will be as it is. Understood? So this is how we can round up the given number. Okay. So children, today whatever I have discussed with you, I hope each and everything is clear to you. Thank you.